What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am back in Five Below and they have lots of fun new summer things out. Lots of items for the kids that are just $1. We have little shovels and grab a bubbles. Shovels and grab a bubbles. We have pails. These are all just $1. We have lots of bandanas down here. These ones are pretty. These are really pretty actually. They're kind of tie-dye like. Nice. And then we have some PJ Masks and Dory as well as Peppa Pig chalk sets. And then down here we have some bath fizzies. I think it's a single bath fizzy for $1. We have a pack of chalk. We have some crayons by Crazy Art, some Elmer's glue, and then we actually have some Crayola crayons here, a 24 pack for just $1. And then over here we have some really huge $5 rugs, and these are kind of like rag rugs. It says they're made in India, but they're 36 by 60. So I think that's, without doing any math, I want to say really quick that this is probably like a 3-foot by 5-foot rug. These are really huge. And then over here on the other side, we have some $1 to $3 items. We have some super big, kind of like sandcastle molding buckets, as well as a friendship bracelet bucket. It says it makes 3 bracelets. Those are $1. Oh, I love these, you guys. I actually saw these today in Family Dollar for $3, and I love that they have them here for only $2. These are so soft and nice, and they're aqua saucers, so they fill up with water. This would be a really nice toy, and I just can't stop touching it. This would be a really, really nice toy for the pool. And then over here we have, what are these? It says Big Splash Battle Sabers. Oh, you guys, these attach to pool noodles. These are so cool. I think we get, I can't tell, I think it's maybe 2 handles. I'm not sure. No, maybe this is just 1 handle. Yeah, I think it's 1 handle, and then you just insert it into the noodle, and then your noodle becomes a sword. So cool. I showed these in my last shop with me. These are little $1 bubbles. They had an ice cream one too. They have the popsicle, the ice cream, and the kitty. Now these are $1.49. These are the mini light up balloons. They're like glow in the dark. Not glow in the dark, but they have a color changing LED inside. And then over here, I think these are also just $1. We have Twirl Ribbons, just $1. And it has a little wand. More chalk. More Grab-a-Bubbles. We have some giant bubble wands for just $1. Super Miracle Bubbles for $1. We have some jump ropes that are 7 feet long. And then for $3, we have some like little water guns. I don't know if that's supposed to be there. This is a foam pumper. This looks really nice and sturdy, like a squirting toy. And then here we have this really cute Rubik's Cube. I think it's reversible. A reversible backpack storage plush. Oh, that's cute. And I guess you could put your Rubik's Cube in here. I don't know. I'm not really sure, you guys. It looks cute though. And then these are so pretty. These are just $3. A credit card holder or an ID holder. I love this one. We have some really, really pretty like iridescent unicorn skin ones here. I just love iridescent things. Oh, that is so pretty. This is kind of like a mermaid print, like a mermaid tail. It looks like these squishies might be new this week. These are the emoji squishies, and these are $5. And then they have a variety of other squishies. This past weekend, they just had a squishy event here where you could bring a squishy to trade with another individual. And then they had little squishy stations set up because they have, and I'll show you guys over here, they have these plain white squishies that you can actually decorate, and they're $5. So they have this one. It's a plain white squishy. And then I think these are slightly different. And then we have the cupcake over here with the strawberry. And then they have special markers that you can use. And then we have these that we were finding at Dollar Tree for just $1. I remember the brand name being something different than this, but they're not really super slow rising, but I'm definitely seeing some different faces.
They're really slow though.
Yeah, you think so?
I mean, it's really soft.
Soft, they are soft. Yeah. Oh, the little kitty paw. This cute little mini Zen garden over here. It's $5. Cute for your office. And then I wanted to show you guys some of the clothing items that they had. Here on this table, we have a little cherry shirt with the little tie down here. I believe these are all $5. And then we have some little bralettes up here. Cute little bralettes. That pink one is really pretty. This is what the back looks like. Ooh, and they also have it in a gray. They have a dribble zone over there. That's where my boys are. Where you're allowed to try out the balls and you're allowed to dribble and have fun. We also have a purple one in here. This is pretty. Again, I believe these are all $5. And then we have some, what else? We have some shorts, but we have a couple more tanks. This is like the cherry one. And then we have some shorts. These. I think these would be really cute to sleep in. I love sleeping in shorts, especially in the spring and summer. We have a watermelon. Let's see, I think we have this pair here too. Oh yeah, this little cherry one. And then over here we have these little palm shorts. And these are more so crocheted and not truly pom-poms, but they're calling them palm shorts. We have pineapples. This one is in an extra large. I'm noticing larges, lots of larges, and mediums. I'm not sure if extra large is the largest size they have or not. Yeah, I think they have mostly smalls through extra larges. Also for $5, we have additional tanks over here. We have this little one, unicorn, sleeping unicorn with the golden glitter horn. We have a sort of camo. Let's see if I can open it up for you guys. We have a camo that also has the little tie front, kind of like the cherry shirt. And then we have some little pandas. I think these are kind of stretchy. Oh, are these shorts? These are shorts, you guys. Oh, these are cute. These are really, they feel really, really soft and stretchy. I think these are super cute. And then what else do we have? It looks like we have another shirt here that has sort of the, I'm not sure if it's off the shoulder or not. You guys know how it is if you're trying to do things with your left hand. These are little off the shoulder tops. This is an extra large, so they definitely have small through extra large. Oh, and I think we have the same thing here in a black. a black shirt that's off the shoulder. Again, these are all just $5. Look at the tassels, you guys. Those are so cute. We have black. Oh, look at this peach with the navy. Oh, that's so cute. The gray with the pink. And then this is actually out of place, but it's a cute little dress. Pretty sheer, but super cute. This could be a good pool cover-up. Super cute. And then we also have the dark green with the black. And I am just so in love with the tassels. So I'm over here in the nail polish now, and this color really caught my attention. These are the Funky Fingers polishes. They're either $2 or 3 for $5. And I think this color is so pretty. I also really love this pretty, oh, you guys, it's so creamy and pretty. It's like a muted down neon green, but it is gorgeous. And look at this one, you guys. Oh, I'm loving these colors. Like, I have so many nail polishes at home, and I totally don't need any of these, but they are really calling my name. I love this one, you guys. It is so pretty. I'm pretty much loving everything I pick up. I think this might be new. You guys, this is the Color Story Peach Nudes eyeshadow palette. Has some really glittery colors. They have lots of eyebrow gel. This is in soft brown for $3. It looks like we get a lot of product. This one is in espresso brown. Let's see if we have any other colors. And then we have charcoal black. Has anyone tried this? This is City of Color Matte Setting Spray. I usually use the e.l.f. My e.l.f. one that I have. I really like that. And I'm really not sure how much this is. I wish there was a price tag. But they have so much back here, you guys. Definitely check on their website too, because a lot of the items that they have in store, they also have online. Ooh, that is pretty. What is this? This is the Baked Highlighter Palette. And it's $4. This is my first time seeing this. It's so pretty, and it's $5. I love it so much. They have so many cute things in here. I hope you enjoyed this shop with me. If you did, please show me that you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.